What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here. Both one of the funniest and stupidest things I've ever seen I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. If you guys have ever wanted to participate in a mass dying extinction event, this is how to do it. There's a new app for the iPhone that allows you to share the last remaining minutes of your iPhone with fellow users all over the internet. So if you have 5% or less battery life on your iPhone, get ready, buckle in. Let's go ahead and check out one of the coolest or dumbest new apps I've ever heard of. All right, so it's this application here, DieWithMe. It costs $1. I don't know if it's worth the money for you, but I decided to pay for it just to see. So essentially, it's a group chat for everyone within 5%, or I believe it's 4% or less, that they can talk with each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's literally called DieWithMe. If you're not at 5% or 4% or lower, you won't be able to get in. So if you're not, I do have other devices, and it basically opens up a group chat where people talk about super important things because they have almost no battery left. And the cool thing is you can actually share this with Android users. They have the very same application and they share the same server, so you'll be able to talk with Android users as well. So let's see what some people are talking about here. I had my brightness all the way up. I did this on purpose. I'll see you guys on the other side at 1%. That's hilarious. You are the longest 1%. Oh my gosh. I deliberately just discharged my phone to get here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this app real quick. All right, so up top it says how much percent you have. Again, it won't let you in until you have 4% or below. And really the impression I get after being on here for just a little bit is that people are doing this just to troll. There's really nothing, no benefits, nothing cool about it other than sharing the last dying moment of your iPhone with other people. And I don't really feel that. You know, the stakes here aren't too high. I'll never die. And the thing is, you can charge your iPhone and other people will see when you're charging. So let's find somebody that's charging here, and we'll be able to see right there. So this guy couldn't power through it all the way till his phone died. He needed the support. All right, so let me send some support over here. If you guys will be on here, I'll be on here for the last few minutes till I die as well after this video is posted. What's up, guys? Oh, it doesn't allow autocorrect in here. All right. So I have twice your lifespan. Help me. Oh my gosh, that's actually kind of funny. That's a good one. Can I interact with this or like it in any way? I like that. Your perspective of what's important changes towards the end. It sure does. That's so deep. Wow, there's some real great insight on here. Man, I honestly can't believe I paid $1 for this. All I see on here is just people crying, complaining, and it brings Android and iPhone together, I guess. So there is one little benefit of that, but everyone here is just sharing the worst moments of their iPhone's lives. And let's see. I mean, I haven't found anything really funny on here. Just people saying what they did to get down to this battery level. Literally, that's it. I'm honestly kind of surprised how many people have bought this and how many people are on here. And overall, the reception it's gotten online has just been hilarious. So, too true, Chowei. This chat page is black and white, making me feel more upset. I feel that. The worst thing about this app, I think, is if you genuinely make a connection with somebody, start talking with somebody, and your phone dies, you will literally never see them again. So, in a way, it reflects on life pretty well. I mean, it's got some deeper meanings here. There it is, guys. Just wanted to share something amusing with you, an app that's pretty unique. I haven't seen a concept like this before, and it works pretty well if you're under 5%. So get ready to chat with some people. If you guys haven't done that since the early 90s, AOL chat or AIM chat, here is your new chance. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Peace.